nature. It's all around you. What a wonderful world we live in. So let's have a closer look at nature.
Here we see a small lizard perched on a tree. Lizards are good for keeping away insects and bugs and prevent ants from coming into the house and eating all of your favorite cereal.
You're gonna attack me, are you?
As we move along, we see that this particular lizard is known as a chameleon. They have the ability to change colors to conceal their identity. This small lizard is part of nature. Even the green grass is part of nature.
Yay.
The trees that are around you are also part of nature. The beach is part of nature. The small frog which lives outside of my apartment is also part of nature. Even my friend Juan and his crazy friend are part of nature. I hope you have enjoyed this small part of nature. Thank you. There goes a car. That's not part of nature.
You want a chicken wing?